I talk to people about their home insurance coverage, they usually have some what-if scenarios. And some of them are pretty creative, so I thought this would be a good question to just sort of address in a general way. Keep in mind that not every insurance policy is the same, so that is so important to know. Insurance policies are contracts, so they're written in legal language that can be a little confusing for those of us that don't speak attorney. In your policy, you're going to find phrases like, "We will insure you for the extensions of coverages described."
20 minutes later.
Most of us don't speak that way, so here's my first rule of thumb. For damage to be even considered a loss that may be covered by your home policy, it has to happen suddenly and accidentally. Say your dishwasher breaks and leaks water all over the floor, ruins the carpet, ruins the cabinets. All the damage that this water causes is probably going to be covered by your home insurance. Which leads me to my second rule of thumb. When things in your house wear out, or if they have just a mechanical failure, these things are not covered for repair by your home insurance policy. So if your dishwasher starts making a horrible noise and you call someone out to check it and they tell you, hey, motor's out, it's going to have to be repaired, your home insurance is not going to pay to repair it. Here's another example of damage not covered by your home insurance. Speaking from experience, I can tell you termites can cause a bunch of damage to your house. Most insurance policies will exclude damage caused by animals or infestations, which sounds kind of gross. But they're mainly not covered. If you think about my first rule of thumb, these things don't happen suddenly. Now here's a what if. What if your roof starts leaking? Now keep in mind, not every insurance policy is the same, and I'm using a broad brush here. Most roof leaks, will not be covered. Or if they are covered, they're just going to have limited coverage. Why do roofs leak? Usually there's an opening in the roof allowing water to get in, right? Now every roof has holes in it, even yours. These holes are for plumbing and attic vents. And these vents require weatherproofing. That weatherproofing is going to wear out over time. Damage caused by wear and tear, it's usually not covered. So unless there is a hole in the roof that's caused by a hail strike or by having wind blow shingles off the roof and the water gets in that way, the damage probably isn't going to be covered. Okay, I know what you're saying. Is there any good news? Well, sure there is. Your home insurance covers lots of things. In fact, it covers the things that are actually most likely to happen to your house. The examples that I just gave, those aren't as common as a person might think. But when they do, gosh, it can be a difficult conversation. And if they happen to you, it's going to be a big deal. Fun fact, 65% or more of all home insurance claims are weather related. If the roof gets beat up by a hailstorm, that's a covered loss. Say a lightning strike hits the electric box and zaps all your electronics, covered. If there's a fire, smoke damage, that stuff's covered. If a water pipe breaks under the sink and it soaks the carpet and cabinets, covered. If someone kicks in the back door and steals your golf club, that's going to be covered. And that's just to name a few things. Now, if you're watching this and you have more questions now, that's good. Call your insurance agent and discuss your coverage. We don't just sell insurance, we try to educate our clients on their unique risks. And then we try to provide solutions that fit. When do you want to find out that you have the right insurance coverage? How about right now?